Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into two popular countertop dishwashers, the Hermitlux and the Gudsunal. Both appliances are designed for compact living spaces, but they come with different features that may suit your needs better. Let's explore their specifications, advantages, and drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to capacity, the Hermitlux offers a compact design that accommodates 4 place settings, making it suitable for individuals or couples. In contrast, the Gudsunal boasts a significantly larger capacity of over 30 place settings, making it ideal for families or those who entertain frequently. This difference in capacity can greatly influence your choice depending on your household size and dishwashing needs. The Hermitlux features a built-in 5-liter water tank, which is convenient for those without plumbing access. However, the Gudsunal takes it a step further, with a 7-liter detachable water tank, allowing for easier filling and storage. This added convenience can be a significant factor for users who prefer hassle-free operation. Both dishwashers offer multiple washing programs, but the Gudsunal provides one additional program compared to the Hermitlux. With 6 washing programs, including a high-temperature hygiene setting, the Gudsunal is designed to tackle a wider variety of cleaning tasks, making it a versatile option for different types of dishes and levels of soiling. In conclusion, both the Hermitlux and Gudsunal countertop dishwashers have their unique strengths. The Hermitlux is perfect for those with limited space and a smaller budget, while the Gudsunal offers greater capacity and advanced features for a slightly higher price. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.